Sweets vocabulary. Chocolate cake. Baklava. Fruit tart. Cheesecake. Cotton candy. Cupcake. Tiramisu. Muffin. Donut. Apple pie. Chocolate bar. Gingerbread. Lollipop. Brownie. Shortbread. Red velvet cake. Gummy bears. Jelly beans. Croissant. Cinnamon roll. Chocolate chip cookie. Ice cream. Popsicle. Sundae. Gelato. Frozen yogurt. Ice cream sandwich. Sorbet. Slushie. Milkshake. Ice cream cone. Frozen banana. Snow cone. Marshmallow. Candy cane. Toffee. Fudge. Caramel. Licorice. Peanut brittle. Bread pudding. Chocolate pudding. Flan. Rice pudding. Custard. Macaron. Mochi. Jelly. Churros. Trifle. Mousse. Éclair. Danish pastry.